Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most breathtaking sights from around the world. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to discover the 20 most beautiful places in China. From stunning landscapes to ancient wonders, China has it all. Every bit counts and helps us explore more extraordinary destinations. Now, let's begin our expedition through the enchanting wonders of China. Number 20. The Great Wall of China. One of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications made of stone, brick, tamped earth, wood, and other materials. It was built to protect Chinese states and empires from invasions by various nomadic groups and military incursions. The most famous sections, like Badaling and Mudianyu, are located near Beijing and are popular tourist destinations. Number 19. The Forbidden City. Situated in the heart of Beijing, the Forbidden City is an enormous palace complex that served as the imperial palace for Chinese emperors during the Ming and Qing dynasties. It is a remarkable example of traditional Chinese architecture and is now home to the Palace Museum, showcasing an extensive collection of Chinese art and artifacts. Number 18. Terracotta Army. Located near the city of Xi'an, the Terracotta Army is a collection of thousands of life-sized clay soldiers, horses, and chariots that were buried with China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, to protect him in the afterlife. Discovered in 1974, this archaeological wonder is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 17. Zhuhaigu Valley, a breathtakingly beautiful national park in Sichuan province. Zhuhaigu Valley is renowned for its stunning turquoise lakes, multi-tiered waterfalls, snow-capped peaks, and lush forests. It is also home to various endangered plant and animal species, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 16. Huanglong. Scenic area located close to Zhuhaigu Valley. Huanglong is another scenic area known for its colorful travertine ponds, hot springs, and snow-capped peaks. The area's unique geological formations create a mesmerizing landscape that attracts numerous visitors. If you like the video, give a like to the video and subscribe to our channel. Number 15. Yading. Nature Reserve nestled in the southwestern part of Sichuan province. Yading Nature Reserve is a remote and pristine area featuring 3 sacred snow-capped mountains, Shanriseg, Jianpeyang, and Shenadojie. The reserve offers stunning alpine scenery, picturesque valleys, and a serene environment for trekking and exploring. Number 14. Lai River. Between Guilin and Yangshuo, the Li River is famous for its picturesque scenery, characterized by cursed limestone peaks, lush greenery, and traditional Chinese fishing villages. A popular activity is taking a leisurely cruise along the river, enjoying the stunning landscapes that have inspired countless Chinese artworks. Number 13. Zhangjiajie. National Forest Park located in the northwestern part of Hunan Province. Zhangjiajie is a unique park known for its towering quartzite sandstone pillars, ravines, and lush vegetation. The park gained international fame as the inspiration for the fictional floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Number 12. Zhuozhuang. Watertown is one of China's most famous water towns. Zhuozhuang is located near Shanghai. and is known for its picturesque canals, stone bridges, and well-preserved Ming and Qing dynasty architecture. The town offers visitors a glimpse into traditional Chinese water town life. Number 11. Hangzhou. The capital city of Zhejiang Province, Hangzhou is renowned for its scenic West Lake, which has inspired poets and artists for centuries. The city is also famous for its tea culture, especially Longjing tea, and has a rich history dating back over 2,200 years. Number 10. Suzhou City. Suzhou is a city located in Jiangsu Province, China. It is renowned for its classical Chinese gardens, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The city is known as the Venice of the East due to its beautiful canals, bridges, and traditional architecture. Suzhou's history dates back more than 2,500 years, and it is famous for its silk production, embroidery, and other traditional crafts. Number 9. Xi'an. Xi'an is a historically significant city in Shaanxi Province, China. It served as the capital for numerous Chinese dynasties, including the Qin and Tang dynasties. The city is most famous for the Terracotta Army, an awe-inspiring collection of life-sized clay soldiers and horses, guarding the tomb of China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang. Besides the Terracotta Army, Xi'an is home to the ancient city wall, the Big Wild Goose Pagoda, and numerous other historical and cultural attractions. Number 8. Chengdu. Chengdu is the capital city of Sichuan Province, China. It is known for its relaxed lifestyle, spicy cuisine, and, most notably, being the natural habitat of giant pandas. Chengdu's research base of giant panda breeding is a popular attraction where visitors can see these adorable creatures up close. The city is also famous for its tea houses, Sichuan opera performances, and the nearby Leshan giant Buddha, the largest stone Buddha statue in the world. Number 7. Lijiang City. Lijiang is a picturesque city located in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, China. It is renowned for its stunning karst landscape, with limestone hills and picturesque rivers. The Li River and its karst peaks have been the inspiration for many traditional Chinese paintings and poems. Cruising down the Li River between Lijiang and Yangshuo is a must-do experience. The city itself has several parks, pagodas, and historical sites that showcase its rich cultural heritage. Number 6. Yangshuo Town. Yangshuo is a small town near Lijiang in Guangxi Province, China. It is surrounded by stunning karst mountains and is famous for its stunning natural scenery and outdoor activities. Many visitors come to Yangshuo for activities like biking, rock climbing, and bamboo rafting on the Yulong River. The town has a vibrant West Street with various shops, restaurants, and bars, making it a popular destination for both Chinese and international tourists. Number 5. Yunnan. Province Yunnan is a diverse province in southwestern China known for its rich ethnic and cultural diversity, as it is home to numerous ethnic minority groups. The province boasts breathtaking landscapes, including the famous stone forest, Shilin, Dali's ancient town, Lijiang's old town, and the picturesque Yuanyang rice terraces. Yunnan is also known for its pleasant climate, colorful festivals, and unique cuisine. If you like the video, give a like to the video and subscribe to our channel. Number 4. Tibet. Autonomous Region Tibet, often referred to as the roof of the world, is an autonomous region in China known for its high-altitude landscapes and unique Tibetan culture. Lhasa, the capital, is home to the iconic Potala Palace, once the winter residence of the Dalai Lama. Tibetan Buddhism is an integral part of the region, and there are numerous monasteries and religious sites, such as the Jokhang Temple and Sera Monastery. The natural beauty of Tibet includes vast grasslands, snow-capped mountains, and crystal-clear lakes like Yamdrok Lake. Number 3. Shangri-La. Shangri-La is a fabled and mythical place that was popularized by James Hilton's novelist Horizon. It refers to a hidden, idyllic paradise with stunning landscapes and peaceful communities. In China, the town of Zhongdian in Yunnan province was officially renamed Shangri-La in 2001 to capitalize on its association with the novel. Shangri-La offers a mix of Tibetan and Han Chinese cultures, and the area's attractions include the Ganden Sumsaling Monastery, Songzanlin Monastery, and the surrounding natural beauty of the Tibetan Plateau. Number 2. The Potala. The Potala Palace is an iconic architectural wonder located in Lhasa, Tibet Autonomous Region, China. It was once the chief residence of the Dalai Lama, and it served as the political and religious center of Tibet. Number 1. Lake Karakul. Lake Karakul, also known as Karakul Lake, is a high-altitude lake located in the Pamir Mountains of the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, China. It sits at an elevation of about 3,600 meters, 11,811 feet above sea level, and is surrounded by snow-capped peaks. The lake's name means Black Lake in the local Uyghur language, and it offers breathtaking views of the rugged mountain scenery. The area is sparsely populated, and the lake is a popular destination for travelers seeking remote and untouched natural beauty. And that concludes our virtual tour of the 20 most beautiful places in China. We hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting journeys around the globe.